So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing with you an exciting job opportunity floated by Genpact on its website where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply, and it is a non-voice kind of job role. So if you are interested in this type of job, please do consider watching this video very carefully till the end. And in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this job opening, first of all I will tell you what this job is. This is for the role of process associate in insurance domain. So here, don't be afraid, you don't have to sell insurance policies. This is not a selling kind of job role. This is completely a non-voice job role where you will be working with general insurance policies, and there will be your clients who will come to you for claim processing. So general insurance is that type of insurance where due to any kind of loss a client can claim that insurance. So you have to check that the documents that the client is giving you are all complete, and you have to check the process that they are not making any fake claims, because sometimes it happens that companies or individuals make fake claims. So you have to check for that, for the document completion and all these details. And once you are satisfied that the company deserves this insurance claim, then you have to process that claim. So it is this kind of job role, and any kind of non-technical graduate can apply. For technical graduates, they have said that they are not interested for this particular job role, but any kind of non-technical graduate who is a fresher or has similar kind of experience can definitely consider applying for this job role. And as far as the skills are required, you need to have good communications, even though it is a non-voice role, but still written communication will be required. So good communication should be there, and you should have some knowledge of MS Excel because you will have to work on that. Now we come to the interview rounds. So Genpact usually has three rounds. Round one is the HR round where they will ask about yourself and check your communications. Round two is generally a test where they can check certain skills related to the jobs. Like for this particular job, they can ask some Excel based questions, they can check your typing speed, or some kind of IQ questions also they can ask. So it will be a mix of this. Not much information is available, so I'm not able to go through it in detail. And then the round three will be operations based, where they will ask you questions which will be related to this role or some situation based questions. So you should be prepared for that. And now I'll take you to my computer screen to tell you how you can apply for this job, and some of the interview questions also that can be asked in the operations round. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen for discussing some of the interview questions that can be asked. So they can be: what is a general insurance? So insurance contracts that provide payments depending on the loss from a particular financial event are called general or non-life insurance. So and other question can be: what are the types of general insurance? So any accidental insurance, fire insurance, travel insurance, all of these come under the category of general insurance, where you can claim any loss that you suffer. Then difference between a life and a general insurance. So life insurance gives payout when policyholder dies, whereas in case of general insurance, payout is made in the event of an unexpected loss such as an accident or a theft. So this is the main difference, and you will be here working with general insurance as I told you. So clients will come to you for the loss that they have suffered. Then how will you tell a client that their claim is rejected? So there is not no right answer for this. You have to think about it. You have to tell them in a very calm manner and explain them all the reasons due to which that claim is rejected. So that is what approach you have to follow while answering this question. So these are some of the questions that can be asked. Now I'll take you to my website to show how you can apply. So you can click on this link, general insurance job by Genpact, and then if you can read about all the details, and if you feel comfortable, just go to apply for this job, and then you will be redirected to this page which is directly on website of Genpact, and is supported by Naukri.com. So here, if you feel comfortable, you can just apply with your Naukri.com profile, and then they will get back to you if you get shortlisted for this role. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And in case you want to get your CV rectified for this role or any other role, you can check out the link in the description, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.